In the fast-paced world of multifamily real estate, the ability to think critically is essential for success. But how do you cultivate this invaluable skill? First, assess your starting point. Reflect on your knowledge and identify areas for improvement. Then expand your knowledge base. Dive into books, courses, and workshops covering market trends, finance, and negotiation. Partner with experienced professionals. Seek mentorship, shadow experts, and collaborate with teams. Ask questions and engage in discussions. Curiosity fuels critical thinking. Reflect on your experiences. Learn from successes and failures. Combine knowledge with practical experience and embrace continuous learning. By following these steps, you'll develop the critical thinking skills needed to thrive in commercial real estate. Remember, the journey to becoming a critical thinker is continuous. Keep learning and applying your knowledge. Start your learning with our free eGuide, Unlock Your Retirement Potential, Transition from TSP to Self-Directed IRA. Start your learning and real estate journey today.